beautiful people? Today I have the February Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for you guys. This is an unboxing and we're gonna go ahead and start with the little Glam Bag. I will have timestamps down below if you want to just jump to the Glam Bag Plus. And so yeah, so this is the little bag. I thought that it was super cute. It looks like a little envelope. It says sealed with a kiss, and then it has these gold lips on the other side as if they sealed it with a kiss. Get it? Haha. Very cheesy. Anyways, okay, so we're gonna jump into this bag, and the first thing that I see in here is this little eyeshadow right here. It says love you first. It's a perfect eyeshadow duo, and it has a little mirror in there. It has a matte and a gold, so it's just a basic little eye duo. I think that this would be really good if you like to travel or if you want to go somewhere. Just a really simple look that you could come up with it. Next thing in here is this little Glam Glow Bright Eyes, and this is an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. I actually really enjoy Glam Glow's skincare, so that is what it looks like. Oh, that is a great size. This would really last you a long time. And then next thing in here is by MAC. This is a cream sheen in the color Sweet Sakura. That is a nice name. And their bullet, I absolutely love MAC. Ooh, that is a pretty red. It has like gold reflexes on there. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And it is a cream sheen, so it's not like super, you know, like extremely too pigmented. It has like that nice sheen to it, which is really nice about their cream sheen. So that's what it looks like right there. We'll be adding this bad boy to my MAC collection. I really enjoy MAC's bullets. They're one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. Next thing in here is this little One Kind Pore Perfectionist Refining Facial. This is a clay to use for your skin. And then the next thing in here is, Bite Beauty Orange Fizz Lip Stain. So that is what that one looks like. And I'll go ahead and swatch this as well. Oh, these are pretty for Valentine's Day. So that is a very bright orange red. And that is beautiful for Valentine's Day, or, you know, around this month. I feel like a lot of people pop a pop of color on the lip, even though now we're still wearing masks, so there's that too. And then the last thing in here is the About Face. Oh my God, I'm so excited. If you guys don't know who Halsey is, she is a singer and she just launched this brand. So this is amazing. This is what her little packaging looks like. This is what the box looks like. And this is her new brand. So this is amazing that Ipsy has it in here. This is matte. It's a fluid eye paint, and this is in the shade Cloned. Oh boy, look at that. So that is what it looks like. That's for the eyes. I would think, wow, that's really dark. I don't know how I would use this. I'm going to definitely look into how I would use this. I don't know. It says bold one swipe pouch of color that delivers rich buildable pigment. It's a semi-matte water resistant powder formula. It slips on smoothly and locks onto the skin. So I don't know if I would just use this all over the lid, or if I would, I don't know. I'm gonna have to definitely play around with it, especially because of the color that I got. I don't know. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know down below. And now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so it seems like they sent me something extra in here. This is one of their bags from Refreshment. If you don't know, Ipsy actually has a brand called Refreshment, and they have all kinds of skincare, body lotion, hand lotion, things like that. And this is their Luxe 5 Blade Razor Kit. So this isn't actually from the, what's it called? From the Ipsy bag. This is just an extra that they probably sent us influencers. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. So you have the handle, and then we have the little razors over there. And then it actually has the the little suction cup to hold it, which I love. And so yeah, I'll try this out and see how I like it. It's very similar to that of the Venus. So yeah, so look, they actually have here like some of their products. They have a body cream, body wash, shave, the razor. Their face wipes are really nice. I actually tried their face wipes and really enjoyed them. So really, really cute. And this bag is so cute. I love their theme of this. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so let's look at the bag for February for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's red with gold little lips on it, very Valentine's themed. And then let's see what's in here. So first thing in here is the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. This is a groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. Wow. Okay, so it says that it's supposed to contour your face. It has brush that is infused with anti-aging collagen, silk peptides, and antioxidants. I have never heard of a brush like having anti-aging things, but that makes me very, very curious. So I will play around with this and see how I feel about it. Next thing in here is the Pillowy Shave Cream in Citrus Spritz. This stuff, the citrus stuff, smells so good from them. So I will definitely try this out and shave my legs with this and see how it goes. I tried waxing, but I don't know. It just seems so hard. Next thing in here is the 24-hour brow setter. This is an invisible shaping gel for the brows, and it's one of my all-time favorites. If you guys see right here, I cannot live without this. So this is a little mini one. I will put this in a giveaway because I already own the full size. I love this stuff. This stuff will make your brows stay in place, and I love the fact that this just does not create any of those flakes or weirdness on your eyebrows, which is something that I really do not like about a lot of the brow setting gels. Like they sometimes make like crusties on your eyebrows, which isn't cute. So that one is one of my all-time favorites. Next thing in here is the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. This is 20% vitamin C. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms your skin. And yeah, it's 100% pure stable vitamin C, no ugly color change. So there is no degradation with this. And let me just show you guys what it looks like. Ooh. And I love a good vitamin C, so skincare is so essential. Like if you want good makeup, you also have to do good skincare because one thing goes with the other. And then the next thing in here, or the last thing in here, is the Dr. Brandt Hydro Bionic Sleeping Recovery Mask. I already own this, so I will be giving this away as well. This is a really nice hydrating mask for overnight, and it just leaves your skin super hydrated when you wake up. So it moisturizes, it reduces the redness and the signs of irritation. So that is everything in the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'd love to hear from you down below. And you can follow me on my social media. You can subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.